In this video, I'll show you how to create payment link on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. And if you want to create a payment link for someone to pay you or for someone to send you money, your family, your loved ones, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Open your Binance. So this is what's going to come out. Click on that ad. Now you're going to be able to see the receive via Binance Pay. So if you click on it, it's going to come out, right? So you can copy your address manually and give to who wants to send you money, or you can tap the payment link option tab below it. So I'm going to do it now and show you what's going to come out after I've tapped the payment link option. So after I've tapped the payment link option, this is what is going to come out, right? So you can come on here, select any amount of, or select your preferred currency. If you love someone to pay in USDC, in PTC, in BNB, any of them, select it. So I want to use, let me say USDC, right? So you're going to come on here, let me say 100. So you can just come on here, thanks for your help or support, right? Let me say support. Okay, let me say thanks for your help, right? So come on here. So if you click on the share link now, you're going to be able to get your own payment link. You can send to the person that wants to send you money. You can send to your friends, you can send to your family for them to be able to send you money here on Binance with your own payment link. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.